Hi everyone, Matthew Keever here at Telit Cinterion booth CES 2026, showing off our new AI features with deviceWISE IoT platform. Using our deviceWISE view visualization system, I can control the universal robot, every single movement using our native universal driver. Every motion is controlled with deviceWISE. We're using a Genie Cam industrial camera on here with our new Genie Cam driver to capture images, send them off to our visual inspection system to do real-time AI analysis of the image to detect faults, bolts, and quality of a manufacturing model. Now what I'm going to do here is stop this robot. Normally this would take hours or expertise to figure out what's wrong and how to recover. With the deviceWISE AI fault recovery system, we analyze the robot with the robot controller itself and different security and webcams to be able to make sure that no one's in the danger zone and everything can be covered cleanly. Now once we're done with assembly, we're going to move on to final inspection that Evan is going to place a model truck on here, just something what we do every single day. We're going to be using our IO-Link driver to detect motion, our webcam driver to capture images, our native iPhone app that you can put local visual inspection models directly on there, and thermal cameras to do an overall quality inspection, just to represent things we do every day for customers around the world. Thank you for your time.